Hey guys, my name is Alex and today we're going to make this fun science experiment. It's going to be a rainbow out of 3 colors. One is red, one is blue, one is yellow. And we're also going to make it not 3 colors but 6 colors. And if you guys know that what red and yellow make, what red and blue make, and what blue and yellow make. And it's gonna be like a rainbow. And now I'll show you guys the ingredients for this. A spoon or a straw, because we don't have the perfect size spoon, we only have a perfect size straw. 3 colors, 6 same size cups, water, and 6 paper towels. So now let's start. Adding more water to here. I'm not adding any color here. In this one, I'm going to add the yellow. We folded up these paper towels. Then you have to fold them another time in half, but I'm also gonna show you how to fold them. So if you're doing it, you don't mess up. Okay. I'll show you guys how to do it. Fold it in half so it's portrait. Then another time in half, then fold it another time in half like this though. Now, wait, it's kind of undoing, doing whatever, undo whatever. It's going on the next one. Now we got a couple more to go. I'm doing that same thing again. And then I'm doing that same thing again. Fold it in half again. Put it in here. Oh, I think I kind of messed up. That's okay. Do it again. And we have 1 extra. I don't know why we have it, but it's just 1 extra. And for the rest of the time, you'll have to wait. I don't know how long. Probably 12 hours or 24 hours. 25 hours later. Oh, hi guys. We decided to show you this after 25 hours. What we have. This pink and yellow make it orangish pink. And we have blue, green, and yellow. Blue and yellow make green, And now I could tell you guys what colors we have all together. Pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. But also I wanted to tell you how this all happens. And because there's the water, it traveled through the paper towel, and then these two colors traveled to the on paper towels, and they made this color. These two colors traveled on the paper colors just because of the water and made this color. Same with these. We had water in these two, and then the color traveled up and down the paper towel to make this green. It's a pretty cool rainbow. There's also actually another similar experiment, but I'm gonna do it in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also please give me this big of a thumbs up, this big. Yay. We're gonna see you later. And I wore this shirt on purpose because we made a rainbow, and this is a rainbow, and I decided to call it Unicorn Magic. It's pretty funny.